Jameson at Johnson.
I'm Jameson at Johnson. Let's make grilled cheese with an iron. So to start off, it's going to be like any other grilled cheese. We're going to take our bread, take a knife, and we're going to butter it up. Nice and soft butter. Going real easy. Then, we're going to put 2 slices of American cheese. I like throwing mine at angles to make sure I get all areas of the bread covered. Then I'm going to put the top piece on. Here's where it's going to get weird. We're going to take our iron, and we're going to right on the grilled cheese. Leave it on there for a few minutes. This is my first time doing this. I've actually never used an iron before, so to be able to say I've exclusively used it on grilled cheese is quite a statement. Oh man, I'm smelling that now. You smell it? Smells. Oh yeah, look at that. You know, we got some on the iron, but that's okay. We're just gonna scrape it off. There we go. Don't tell my wife. I'm gonna take her handy dandy spatula, flip it over, and do it one more time. Boom. And there you go. Ironing grilled cheese. It's about what you would expect, but I did it myself.
Jameson at Johnson.
Oh, that was a good bite.